Alright guys, so we had some camera difficulties and me revving, blowing flames, almost hitting Austin's car with my car, running over a pack of concrete. All that didn't get caught on camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a reveal. My car's kind of dirty, so go ahead, joke me, I don't care. Yeah, so here she goes. Never really had an actual video of the car, and so many people have came over here and taken pictures that I might as well put something out there for y'all. I got the livery scheme. It's actually in the car. Just a little touch. But I need to get bigger tires put on it. Those are the ones that Mark had on the wheels. So the tint's gonna get taken off. It's not gonna be gold anymore. I'll probably do chrome. And the Supreme's getting taken off the window because that's out of place now with all the pink and teal. But here she is. She's pretty much done. I gotta get a new front bumper. I'm going with a Vertex. So Vertex bumper. I know everybody's gonna ask me what my wheel specs are, so I might as well just go ahead and throw them out there. They're actually my wheels that I had on a 240SX about 3 years ago. I sold them to a friend, and he had put it on one of his cars. He didn't really drive it much, and then Mark bought them and he actually finished them like this. So I am buying new rear lips because they're kind of messed up, but the wheels are still pretty solid, and they match the scheme very, very well. So they're 18 by 10 in the front, 18 by 11 in the rear. I believe it's an 18 offset. In my rear, I have the dual caliper bracket, so it pokes out the wheels like another, I think it's 10 millimeters or something like that. And then I have a small spacer back there, just enough to clear the brakes. Actually, wait a second. Yeah, small spacer in the back. Because it wasn't clearing the brakes well beforehand. So anyways, now it just makes it, just makes it. Let's see if we can get that to zoom in right. She's close. And fronts fit perfect. So there she is. I put my metal fenders back on so I can go lower, so when the tire's slamming into the fender, I'm not breaking carbon fiber pieces like I was doing in the past. And everybody knows that I got the Sparco Evo seat in there. Floor Max livery. Kind of an accident. Worked out real good. So anyhow, I'm gonna try to get Trey over here, maybe. He has a same car as mine, but his is an automatic. He actually put out amazing numbers. So I put out 306 with, I only have a few bolt-ons on my car. He has, I think he has, he doesn't have resonant test pipes, he just has test pipes. And he also has 3-inch intakes on his car, and I just have the regular engines. I think they're like 2.5s. So he put out 304. I put out 306. I think he put out a little bit more torque than me also. So, it's an automatic car. Unless I shift like the Stig, I'm probably gonna get gap. So, and he has better gear ratios and whatnot. So, I'm gonna try to take a ride inside his car because I just wanna see how it is. So, anyhow, here we go. Guys, look at that. Lord! Alright guys, we about to do an interview, but this right here is the world's fastest or world's highest horsepower in a automatic HR. He actually put out what I put out, so we're gonna ask some questions, put him on the spot now. All right, man, I just have to ask you a question. How does it feel to be the highest horsepower in a automatic Z, man? Yeah, you beat a record, bro. You beat a record, so.
Feels great, I do this every day.
I do it every day. Every day. Austin got the lowest Z out here. I don't think ain't nobody else driving around lower than Austin, so. Yo, look at. I can't get it. I can't get it.
He gassing you up, bro. He gassing you up.
The boys had to cut holes in its frame, man. That's some real gang shit right there.
That's some real.
It don't get no more gang than that.
You need to put Slaughter Gang on his license plate now. Slaughter.
Yeah, she skates, dude.
Skating for real. You need, baby? You cooking.
Yeah, I'm playing.
Yeah, you playing games, bro.
I'm playing hard. I kind of want to just have my, like how Ray had his.
Yeah,
Like just lower it a little bit.
Yeah.
Get, like, it's just a decent.
Tell the world what they need to have that sauce.
Man.
All the VQ guys.
It's some 3-inch intakes from RGG, a Tomei, some test pipes, and a Y pipe, and you're fucking set.
You know what? You know what though? You don't even need a Tomei. You can get an ISR.
Yeah, ISR. Matter of fact, an eBay single. Anything.
Hey.
Single.
You can just do this.
Yeah, AutoZone pipe. It just has to be a 3-inch single.
Yeah.
It has to be.
Yeah.
Or you can get you a nicely, tastefully stock, bone stock
Bone stock.
HR G35 sedan.
That's a manual.
One of a kind.
I love it. Sounds so mean. You got the flame V-cell maximum?
Yeah. Let me put it on.
Yeah. But we went airborne. we went.
That was crazy.
We went legit airborne, bro. There's no way we didn't come off the ground. And now I'm gonna hop in with him.
Bro.
Hey, switch.
Alright.
Switch. Alright, go ahead, man. Hop in with him.
As soon as I put my phone out.
I wasn't even expecting that. I was like, yo, give me a little like rev, you know? He's like doing a burnout. That's some Taliban shit right there.
Right at night, I know that shit's gotta be crazy.
Bro. How you feel about that, bro?
Dog, I need to do some shit to this stock ass car, yo. I can't keep hanging with y'all.
Bro, my eardrums are done, bro.
I'm about to be broke tonight. I'm gonna have to order some shit.
Bro, even on the, you got to, man. Even on the daily, bro. Oh my God, bro. Guys, man's car is crazy. That's nuts. That's so nuts.
Or is that bringing the wheels back?
Oh, bro, I need to shit on the road, bro.
Wait, it's
Let me
good
back
now,
on the
though,
road. Nah, I gotta get a new axle. New axle, tires. I think just button up a couple of little things. I mean, I can run it with the axle busted open. It's just a big leaking up race circuit right about.
I know that's Ben's behind us is probably like, these niggas wildin'.
These niggas crazy. Oh yeah. Right after the curve. Three, two, one, go! You want us, bro? You want us?
I gotta get up my head jump just like I had with you.
Yeah.
You gotta get my head started.
Got it. Hey, I wish you were there. We got so much good footage, burnout, street races. How do you feel about that, babe?
I am so happy you guys got to do all that.
Hey, wanna guess what I am right now?
Stuck! You stuck, boy. Look at that fitment, bro. Guys, look at this fitment. That's just crazy, bro.
I guess we'll get her out when I'm leaving.
Yeah, we'll get out when you're leaving. Did you break something back here?
What?
Is this?
Yeah, there's supposed to be things there, but the rivets don't like the plastic at all.
Bro, Mark's stuck.
It's broken.
He's stuck.
Camber affinity.
Oh, did you say camera affinity?
Is that the man, the myth, the legend with the Wi-Fi kid? Oh my God.
So much clout, bro.
Yo, look at his front.
Bro.
His front is crazy.
Light on it, bro. Put the light on it, bro. Dude, that's crazy, bro.
My nigga's got cambered.
Hey,
it ain't cambered no more.
Cambered.
Cool. 36.
I can't. Yeah, I was gonna say.
Trapping is the way.
Trapping's the way.
Trapping is the way.
Y'all good?
Yeah.
Wait, you going the wrong way? Yeah. God, I'm getting 8.
Is it good?
Yeah. Send it.
Oh, we are not slowing down.
What did you say?
Loud as